What's up guys? So I'm here at Meyer and I'm about to do some retail arbitrage. I really only wanted to stop to get a few items that I saw were on sale this week. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to take you in with me and I'll show you what I'm buying, and we'll also see if we can find any clearance stuff. So I just came in here to get these items. They're buy one get one free, but you can only do 2 offers per transaction, so 4 of them per transaction. Luckily there's a self-checkout, so I'm going to do 3 transactions and get them all checked out. So I just got out of Meyer. I probably spent, let's see, just over $100. I'll probably make around 100, maybe 125. I was probably in there for 40 minutes, so not bad. My tip is to get to know your regional grocery store or regional stores, because that's where your deals are going to be. Not everybody goes to these stores for retail arbitrage, so the deals are going to be better. The prices aren't going to drop as much when something goes on sale. So yeah, I live in the Midwest in Indiana, so I have Meyer around me and I have Kroger around me, and those probably the only 2 ads I keep up on, because they're really close to where I live. Within a 10-minute drive, those 2 stores are within a 10-minute drive of me, so I look at those 2 ads once or twice a week, and then I'll look stuff up when I'm looking at the ads, and then I'll know what I need to buy when I go into the store. Because the worst feeling, I don't know if it's the worst feeling, but I just hate driving around to all the stores just looking for clearance. I would rather be able to go to a store, know there's something there that I can make $50 to $100 on, and then also while I'm there look at clearance. I mean, if you travel around and go to look at clearance stuff, that's fine, but you're gonna have days where you don't make as much money. You're gonna have days where you're gonna have stores where you don't buy a thing, and then you're gonna have stores where you make $1,000. But I would rather go to 5 stores, make $500, than go to 5 stores one day, make nothing, then go to 10 stores the next day and make 1,000. I don't know. I just want that constant money flow. It's more secure, more constant, more predictable, and you know that something's going to sell because you already did the research, you already looked at the graphs, you looked at the data. But when you buy something on a whim on clearance, you might look at the data wrong in the store. So when you know what you're going to buy, there's a lot less room for mistakes. You don't make as many mistakes, and I think you make more money that way, especially going to these regional stores. Yeah, so that's why I just love going to the regional stuff, because nobody has access to it besides the people around me. So if you like this video, make sure you like it, and I'll see everyone next time.